Hi everyone, I'm Suleiman, your English teacher. Let's begin the second part of traditional alphabet sound. In this video, I'm going to teach you the traditional alphabet sound from J to R. Here we go. J, J. Word with the same sound. J, J walk, Jason, Jane. Jail. Word meaning an image. Jay. A noisy, brightly colored bird. Jaywalk. To walk across a street at a place where it is not allowed or without taking care to avoid the traffic. Jason. A person's name. Jain. Someone who believes in Jainism, a religion originally from India. Vegetarians, they don't eat meat, garlic and carrot. Jail, a place where criminals are kept to punish them for their crimes, or where people accused of crimes are kept while waiting for their trials. Let's go to the next sound, that is K. K. Word with the same sound. Okay, okay. Kayfabe, K, skate. Okay, used to show that you agree with something or agree to do something. Okay, it is used for getting someone's attention. Used in the middle of a sentence as a way of pausing. Kayfabe. In wrestling, the practice of trying to make people believe that wrestlers are particular characters, when in fact they are only pretending to be those characters. K, a person's name. Skate, a special boot with a thin metal bar attached to the bottom that you wear to move quickly on ice. Let's go to the next sound, that is L. L. Word with the same sound. Bell, cell, dwell, hell, shell. Word meaning an image. Bell, a hollow cup-shaped metal object that makes a ringing sound when a part hanging inside swings against its side or when it is hit by any hard object. Cell, another name for a battery. Dwell, to live in a place or in a particular way. Hell, in some religion, the place where some people are believed to go after death to be punished forever for the bad thing they have done during their lives. Shell, the hard outer covering of something, especially nuts, eggs, and some animals. Let's go to the next sound, that is M. M. Word with the same sound. Tremble, stem, creme caramel, tremulous, feminine. Word meaning an image. Tremble, to shake slightly in a way that you cannot control. For example, because you are frightened, angry, or excited, or because of illness. Stem, the stick-like central part of a plant that grows above the ground and from which leaves and flowers grow. Creme caramel, a sweet food made from custard, a sweet, soft mixture of milk, eggs, and sugar, with soft brown liquid sugar on top. Tremulous, if a person's voice or a part of their body is tremulous, it is shaking slightly. Feminine, having characteristics that are traditionally thought to be typical of or suitable for a woman. Let's go to the next sound, that is N.
Words with the same sound. Hen, men, tendency, tent, when,
Word meaning an image. Hen. An adult female chicken often kept for its eggs. Men. More than one man. Tendency. If there is a tendency to do something, it starts to happen more often or starts to increase.
tent, a shelter made of canvas or a similar material and supported by poles and ropes that you can fold up and carry with you.
When? At what time? At the time at which? Let's go to the next sound, that is O. Words with the same sound. Flow, low, go, so, show. Flow, the movement of something in one direction. Low, close to the ground or the bottom of something. Go, to leave a place, especially in order to travel to somewhere else. Sow, to put seeds in or on the ground so that plants will grow. Show, to make it possible for something to be seen. Let's go to the next sound, that is P. P. Word with the same sound. Pick, pig, pillow, piece, pixel. Word meaning an image. Pick. When you pick flowers or fruit, you take them off a plant or tree. Pig. A farm or wild animal with pink, brown or black skin, short legs and a snout, flat nose. Pillow. A rectangular cloth bag filled with soft material such as feathers or artificial material used for resting your head on in bed. Piss. Urine or to pass urine. The yellowish liquid waste that is released from the body when you urinate. Pixel. The smaller unit of an image on a television or computer screen, used to measure or describe how clear an image is. Let's go to the next sound, that is Q. Words with the same sound. Q. Queuing theory. Queue jumping. Word meaning an image. Queue. A line of people usually standing or in cars waiting for something. Queuing theory. The study of how people or things wait in line or wait to be served and how to deal with them in order to provide the best service. Queue jumping. The action of unfairly going to the front of a queue. Let's go to the next sound, that is R. R. Word with the same sound. Ba. Ka. Cha. Fa. Wa. Word meaning an image. Bar. A place where drinks, especially alcoholic drinks, are sold and drunk, or the area in such place where the person serving the drinks stands. Car. A road vehicle with an engine, four wheels, and seats for a small number of people. Cha. To burn and become black, or to burn something so that it becomes black.
Far, at, to, or from a great distance in space or time.
War. Armed fighting between two or more countries or groups, or a particular example of this. That's all about my video today. If you really like my video, so please like and share my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon. See you with the third and last part of this topic in the next video. Till then, take great care of you. Bye bye.